Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a really nice looking 2008 xr650l in really nice shape. The exhaust pipe is in really great shape, and they put an aftermarket DG pipe on it that sounds nice. Fender eliminator kit looks factory. I mean, it really looks nice the way they've got the taillight and the license plate set up on there. Everything looks good, and it's got some high-rise aftermarket Pro Taper fat bars. It's got Cycra guards. They did cut the nubby off the brake lever so it'll clear in there. The clutch, they left it and it does clear. So just really nice bike, nice setup. Everything's in excellent shape. Everything's working. Remember, if I lose you trying to start it, check down below, subscribe. Let me get this as a choke. Oh, that's right, the choke on this one's up here. Let me hit the starter button. Choke it a little bit. I think I fluttered it. There we go. I did take it for a test ride. Everything worked great. Brakes worked great. You can see that there's still the nubbies on the tires. Forks worked well. Shifted good. Everything about this bike looks good, works good. Lights all work. Check here, switches are all working. So let us know what you need. Seat looks good, side panels and stuff all look good. DG pipe sounds really nice and raspy, but it's not too loud. And I do have the stock pipe here. So I know I promised some of you that I'd let you know before I start listing XR parts. These are getting really hard to find. Make sure you contact me down below if you see something you need. Otherwise, check our eBay site, and we'll see if we can help you get what you need and get going. Thanks a lot.